how to set a time limit for social and games app on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on settings. Then in the settings page, we go down and tap on screen time. Next, tap on app limits. In here, tap on add limit. And then you can choose the whole category, social. So we can choose the whole social categories. And then you can choose the whole games category. So that means all social apps and all games app will have this same time limit. After that, you can tap on next. And then in here, choose a time. So let's say you allow 2 hours of usage per day. And then down here, you can customize days. Here, by default, it is set to every day for 2 hours. You can individually set the time for each of the days in here. So let's say on Wednesday, I will allow, let's choose Saturday instead. So on the weekend, we allow 3 hours of playing. And on Sunday, we allow 3 hours as well. So 3 hours, or maybe 2 hours and a half. So you can individually customize the time for each of the days. And then after that, tap on add. So we have now successfully applied a time limit to social and games app. Now if you want to individually apply to, like, say certain apps, you can expand social and say just Facebook. And then here for games, we will expand that and say certain games that you want to set the restrictions for PUBG Mobile. Then tap on next. And here we can set it to, say, for example, this is just a sample, 10 minutes. So we tap on add. And then here we have applied another app limits rule. For Facebook and PUBG, it is 10 minutes every day. And for other games, it will be 2.5 hours. For Sunday and Monday, it will be 2 hours. And Saturday will be 3 hours. And that's it. So that is how you can add app limits for social and games app on the iPhone 16 series. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.